saying the sun's a transceiver, a step down transceiver energy from a higher dimension into a lower dimension where we are, right? And it works, it comes through us. So when we're looking at things, say in nature, this is what I've come to suspect. We're transferring the energy from the sun into nature and all around us without, I'm not saying that in a way of, what'll get perceived as, I'm not saying the sun shines out my arse, right? Our arse, I'm talking about men and women, but I think that, as I keep saying, we're all one, we're born naked into this world, we're part of the natural world. The sun comes through us and is that energy, that step down transceiver type scenario I've been mentioning with the sun and the orbs are part of that. We're part of that too, right? And because I'll notice that if I look at, we emit light, right? And I've proven it. To myself, it's all improving stuff, do but anyway, I've looked, I realise now, and I always heard, I always suspected it, it's always what was said, but I think people, I'd taken it, I think for a long time, perhaps more metaphorically than the literal reality, which it is, which we emit light. I've shown it a number of times. So, but the point is, I look at things and they will get brighter, right? And the orbs are like plants are the giver of life essence, right? And orbs, I think, are a transceiver or conduit or a mechanism by which a lot of this life energy is passed. Right? And so I know now that by pushing love energy and with intention, it creates harmony and love, and it's reciprocal. So what I've been trying to say about the sun is, it's a transcend from a high dimension into this dimension, and we're part of that, and we're part of spreading that around so the earth, the natural world, in my opinion. That's what. Yeah. Which is it's us. It's one and the same. Right? I keep saying that that water is me. I'm that water, that tree. I'm not just saying it. I am saying it, but it's what it is. That's how it is. We are actually all one living organism, if you want to look at it that way. We're part of and the same, part of the whole and the whole same. For a moment my brain started working again, but it's left, so that's all right. Right, thank you. Much love. But we transfer some of the energy from the sun into nature. But, as much as plant is, everything here is doing that. So, we know that it's common knowledge that that's what plants and fruit, they're bringing the sun's energy and creating fruit and everything, flowers, life. That's how it goes. But we do that too. We as in men and women. Yeah. It's just, yeah. It's why intention counts. It's because we're sending out brain waves that we are energetic beings. Everything is a. Well, anyhow, I'm just saying generic things. But you can do a lot more focused intent than we're told or we're taught. That's for sure. And we should be doing a lot more for nature than it feels like we're doing a lot of the time. See, we've forgotten that, many have forgotten that we're part of it, that we are. It is us. We are it. But also many know this, many have remembered, and many are saying the same, feeling the same, doing the same. So yeah, that's what it is, yeah. And to remember, you got to forget. So it's like, oh well, yeah. So it's just nice. It's so cool. It will be. It is, and it will be. Good voices. Oh, there's people right there. They come in that tree. There's a dog and a bird. That's strange. Strange technique I used to get on that rock. I wonder how that went. Just to succinctly summarise what I've been trying to spit out to myself or whatever. Yeah, men and women, we are a conduit for transferring the sun's energy into nature. It's a projection now of our consciousness, and we're part of the process, the delivery mechanism of that information, of that energy from the sun, which is a transceiver stepping down energy from a higher dimension into this dimension, and in turn we do the same to nature and all around us. Inherently, I consider that's what we do. I think Oh look, there's a koala. Oh look at him. Look at him. It might be a mum, something jaggly, I don't know. Might give him a bit of space. It's all white bum. He's running now. She up the track. I'll take time, I don't want to make it sketch out. There's a dog and a dude down over there, maybe. But go and start. Look at him. It's him out there. I thought it was a pug dog. It looked like an old dog. A bit like my old dog Snuffles. Oh, let's go up the tree. Let's go up the tree, look. Okay, so that's how those marks get on the tree. That's where they're losing their bark. It's cool as. It's like a smaller, you know, but yeah. I'll just stay here for a bit and let him get further up the tree. Okay, that's what that's what I expect to see when I see koala is, yeah, it moving. Where I already can't see him, must be further up. Oh, here he is, chilling up there now. There's koalas. G'day mate, where you going? Hello. Hey, see, he's alert. He's like, I can't get the light. Hello. Gee, I can see him a lot brighter than my eyes. What are you going to do? You see, looking around. That's what they normally do. They look around and stuff. Not like that other one, the pretend one. He's moving. Hey, thank you. Cheers, dude. I can't. I wish I get a good shot. I can't. Yeah, mate. Hey, oh, he's legit. There he is. Oh, look out. Dude, what are you doing? How are they? Dude. Yeah, trooper. He's like, whatever, man. That's what I do. I was born up here. There's his face. The claws on him. Oops. Oh, I lost him. Oh, how he's freaking huge. He's there. Yeah, he's legit. Hey, g'day, mate. That's what I've seen him do before. I'd see him leap from like branch to branch, doing like mad stuff to get the gum leaves, and then just looking like stoned and dripped out. See how the other one I was going on about wasn't moving? This is moving. How cool, mate. Alright, thanks, man. Eyes open, everything. Sweet, cheers. Thanks, mate. Alright, thanks, mate. Cheers. I'll leave you to it, huh? He's only a young one, eh? Huh? Look at him. These guys. He's a fair way up, but. Alright, thanks, dude. That's killer. I've got blue sky as well. Thanks, mate. Alright, see ya. That's cool.